Lifestyle on Wheels is brought to you by The views and opinions expressed by the host and the guests do not necessarily reflect the show or the network. For your comments and suggestions, you may email us at motorcyclenewsmagazine@gmail.com.
Good afternoon, guys. I'm Tyran.
I'm Joel.
And this is Lifestyle on Wheels.
Welcome back!
And of course, para sa ating news and events, pumunta tayo ngayon naman sa Ducati Manila.
Ducati.
Yan. At alam mo ba, Papa Joel, na merong naganap na Ducati Cup. Actually, a golf cup. Yeah, a golf cup. Kung saan ang isa sa kanilang mga beneficiary ay ang Philippine Eagle Foundation.
Yes, ito yung nirepresent ni Papa Kim Atienza. Siya ang ambassador nito.
Yes, exactly. Actually, the Philippine Eagle Foundation, ito yung mga nagpe-preserve ng ating mga Philippine Eagles. Yeah. Alam mo naman sa ating history, paunti na ang ating mga Philippine Eagles.
Yung nagtitira doon rin, parang awa nila.
Yan. Actually, ang ginagawa kasi ng mga iba dyan, hinahunting, binibenta, tapos iba kinukulong. So, kaya nagiging actually, pinipreserve nila. Ang ayaw natin mangyari, baka 10 years from now, baka ma-extinct na itong mga to.
And thank you nga pala po kay Ma'am Joy at kay Sir Toti dahil po sa mga ganito pong klaseng events na makatulong po sa ating pong kalikasan.
Yes. And of course, speaking of kalikasan, alam mo ba, pumunta naman tayo sa Tanay Rizal.
Uy! Okay, sa Marilake!
Yun, exactly. Actually, sa ganda ng tanawin doon, talaga namang mamamangha ka sa bundok ng Sierra Madre.
Ito ba yung racing capital? Wag naman po natin gawin yan.
Actually, ginagawa lang yan. Pero, guys, hindi po to racing capital of the... Actually, ang tawag nga namin dito is Tagaytay of the East.
It's true.
Yan, Tagaytay of the East. Yes, exactly. And we went to Martisem para po mag-witness ang TVS
Riding Experience. Okay, ito parang Titan. Ito yung gustong i-provide sa atin ng TVS Motors Company, yung pong kanilang TVS Apache RTR 200. Ito po yung 200cc na sport naked nila. Ito po pinasubok nila sa mga riders po ng any brand, pare.
Yeah, actually, wala naman silang inaanong brand. As long as you're a rider and you love motorcycling, magagamit mo ang TVS Apache 200 4V.
Ngayon po, para po sa full story, panoorin niyo po to.
Hi Cicloistas, andito tayo ngayon sa Martisem, dito sa Marilake, para sa TVS Experience. Ito organized ng TVS at Wheeltech para sa mga rider, para mabigyan sila ng pagkakataon para i-test ride ang TVS Apache RTR 200. Tara, samahan niyo ako, tingnan natin anong mga happening dito. What is TVS and what can you say about TVS for those who are not familiar with the brand?
Okay, so TVS belong to TVS Group, which is around 106 years old. So we are in this automobile and motorcycle industry from very long time. We are supplying to more than 60 countries in the world. So being in the TVS stands for Trust, Value and Service. We are a motorcycle manufacturer. In a month in India, we produce and sell almost 250,000 units. So that shows us how we are quite sufficiently big to handle this. So we are catering from underbone to backbone, scooters, everything. So Apache 200 is the type of motorcycle which came out from a racing breed of TVS Racing actually. So we are in racing from last 30-35 years. So keeping that in mind, we developed engine and motorcycle which has a racing breed in that. So Apache series, Apache 180, Apache 200, both are from the same breed. So this racing breed motorcycle has to be tested in the main road, in the open road. You cannot test it in a parking lot, or you cannot test it in a restricted area. So keeping that in mind, we developed a concept of riding demo units for normal riders, for public in an open road. So, and that too in a twisties. So that's why we are here. We made this possible here through Wheeltech. Our plan in Philippine market is very simple. We want to serve as many riders as we can. When I say serve, it means that we learn from them. We provide very distinctive, very unique, very technological oriented, the best in class quality products to them.
Well, it's a collaboration between TVS and Wheeltech. But basically si TVS, si Sam ang nakaisip talaga nito. And then we just brainstormed from there. Tapos pinanganak na to.
Apart from the TVS RTR 200, ano pang ibang TVS models ang available?
There's about 6 models. There's commuter bikes, off-road, semi-off-road, and then the RTR, the Apache is the one that's for fast road. It's available in almost all 200 branches. We're still at the process of spreading lahat yung mga models into our branches. Pero the target is siguro by mid this year, every single branch ng Wheeltech meron na. So you can get it pretty much anywhere in the Philippines.
We want to serve the community of riders here by giving them motorcycles which are innovative, technologically high, and then best in class quality.
Okay, so there you have it, Cicloistas. You heard it from Sam, the country manager of TVS here in the Philippines. So we're gonna look forward to more years of TVS here in the Philippines. Thank you very much. Congratulations.
Ano po ba ang naging experience nyo kanina?
Sobrang nag-enjoy sa pag-test drive ng Apache 200. Magandang handling, very powerful, and magandang braking system. And all in all, nag-enjoy ako sa pag-test drive.
And we're back.
Wow, Papi, host ka pala dun Hindi mo sinabi.
Actually, naghulat nga rin ako. Pero hindi naman po. Maraming salamat po sa, syempre, sa ating mga kasama sa Lifestyle on Wheels. And of course, Wheeltech and TVS for trusting me.
And of course, pare, we would like to thank, of course, yung, aside sa Wheeltech, yung Code R Seals. And yung Apache Club for supporting the event. Code R for making it a flawless event na walang aksidente.
Yun, exactly. At saka syempre, doon sa mga guests rin natin, sa lahat po ng mga riders na pumunta po sa TVS Riding Experience, maraming salamat po. And expect soon, mas marami pa po at mas magandang mga freebies and giveaways ang
kasi ililibot po ang TVS all over the country.
Yan. Just support nyo lang po. Pumunta lang po kayo sa Facebook page ng TVS. Like nyo lang po yung kanilang mga events. And I'm pretty sure mag-enjoy kayo.
Pretty sure.
Alright. Next week, makikita-kita ulit pa naman tayo. Dito lang po sa People's Television Network.
Yes.
Every Saturday
at 2:30 p.m. Nod lang po lagi.
And of course, we would like to thank our sponsors. At syempre, huwag niyong kalimutan naman i-like at i-visit ang aming mga social medias.
Yes. And para mapanood nila ang mga past episodes, visit nyo lang ang aming website.
There you have it, guys. See you next week. My name's Titan.
And I'm Joel.
And this is the only lifestyle show on television.
This is
Lifestyle on Wheels.
Patag daw. Patag ha? Patag. 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 Mamaya patag ako nito. Hindi mo dyan. Hindi nakaharap yung camera dito. Patag ha? Patag!
For news and events, ano tatalakayin natin, my friend?
Of course, pinuntahan natin ang Ducati Manila at kung saan nandun rin si Kuya Kim Atienza.
I believe siya na ngayon ang ambassador ng Philippine Eagle Foundation.
Wow.
Yun po ang foundation ng mga eagle.
So, platsahin kita? Papabaga na ako uling.
And now...
Okay, sorry.
Di ba sinabi bawal magkalikot dito? Tinitesting ko lang kung gumagana pa. Bawal eh. Kasi tingnan mo, ang tanda na.
Pag mahangin, nakakatakot. Nakakatag ako. Kita niyo yung kapit ko. Yung kapit ko. Transmit sa'yo to eh.
Nagkukuwenta ako ng mga ginastos natin. Baka hindi tayo makauwi.
Lifestyle on Wheels is brought to you by